everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Sneak Peek where I show you my latest sneaker pickups and I give you a sneak peek of my life as well as I talk about these shoes and what they mean to me. So this episode, I'll be showing you my latest pickup, which is a shoe that I've been hunting for a little over a month and a half. So the first time that it was made available in the Philippines, it dropped at Titan stores. I remember heading over to the Titan store at the UP Town Center to check it out, and they didn't have this in stock anymore. The size that they had, the smallest size that they had in the store was a size 12, so I took a big L on that. So when I saw that online it was made available again, I just had to pick it up. This is not a hype pair, but it's still a pretty good one, and let me show you what I picked up. So this is the box. It's another Jordan 1 box. So I know a lot of people have been hitting on the mids, but the mids are kind of my go-to just because it's a little less hyped up, so I do get more chances of picking up pairs. So this is a Jordan 1 mid, royal blue. So let me show you some of the details on these shoes. I know there's a lot of people who've had this pair before, but this is how I changed it up. So I changed the black laces to blue on my left pair, and this is my right one. So there's a difference there. So for this one, it kind of pops a little more, and this one is like a subtle boot with some accents. So there's quite a lot of contrast here, not like this one, which is it's kind of a safer color. So the blocking is different from the normal royals because instead of the whites on this side of the lateral and medial part of the shoe, it's all black for all those parts. The only part that is blue is here on the toe portion and a little on the back, and of course this what we're used to with Jordan, the part here that which goes all around between the swooshes. Actually, this blue part really stands out for me. I think they made the right choice using blue here, so it gives off more of a contrast for the shoe. I like that. So the wings and the logo are in blue as well. So it's all blue and black except for the midsole, which is white. Part of me wants it to be like black just so it doesn't get dirty a lot easier than the white ones. But I think this is it's a Jordan 1. It's the signature white midsole. It's what we're used to seeing. So we have the outsole, which is also blue. So it's the royal blue that we're used to seeing. The laces that they come in are black, and the swoosh is, and the air logo and the jump pad is blue as well. So 3 colors: blue, black, and white. 3 of my favorite colors. So why mids? I mean, let's do some real talk right now. The highs are not for everyone, especially if you're a little on the shorter side. I mean, if you're not that tall and you're walking around wearing highs, it kind of looks funny. And also having to think about the length of your pants. The highs give you more of a problem right there because you have to just cuff it and fold it or have it tailored. The mids for me are a perfect fit because I'm really tall for a girl, for an average Filipino girl, but I'm not that tall to be wearing highs and not think about my pant length. So that's it for me. That's why this is my second mid pair, and I'm really comfortable rocking mids more than highs, and also it costs way less than the highs. So why are we hating on mids? I don't understand why sneakerheads are doing that. But if you're like me and you never buy shoes at resale value, I mean, it's time to start looking at mids as an option. So you don't have to pay a premium on resale value. Just get the color you want wait for it to come out in the mids. So, well, that's my opinion. You can have yours and you can just put it on the comment section below. So as far as the materials, it's not the really very tumbled leather that's so soft. This type of leather is a little on the glossy side, kind of maintains its form. It's not that soft, but it's still a pretty snug and comfortable sneaker. The mesh is, I mean, it's the usual mesh. The lining is thick and it's actually the usual. So there's nothing that really stands out in this pair. One thing I don't like about this though is this swoosh. So the swoosh is like a glossy, it has a glossy film over the, I don't know if it's leather inside, I think it's leather, but it has the glossy thing here, makes it look like patent leather, but it's really off for me. I would rather have this matching the material here, like a little more on the matte side. I mean, it's already glossy as it is because it doesn't have the contouring. So why change this up? I mean, it doesn't make sense for me. So if this came with this material, I would be very, very happy, and I would really think it's a perfect pair. But that's something that I find offish, but still, it's pretty good value for money, and I like it, and I got it at SRP. And the good thing is, it's still available online at some stores. And just last night, I was able to see this displayed at Sports Central in MOA. So that's just across the Nike store. And they still had this in several sizes. It's not available in the Nike store, but it's there sitting at the Sports Central. So if you're interested in copying it and you think you may want to check it out, go and check it out at MOA. Because the online, the sizes available are already like the bigger sizes. I think it goes 10.5 and up. So if you're you have smaller feet than that, you can check it out at Sports Central in MOA. So that is really the sneaker pickup. By the way, one thing about the color blue is our high school jersey is colored blue. So that's why I really have an affinity, or I'm drawn to blue shoes. And I'm thinking of doing maybe a Nike ID of our school colors. And maybe that's something we will do in the next videos to come. Anyway, so thank you for joining me in this episode. And thank you for joining me in the sneaker journey. Please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you did like the video. Let me show you the other sneaker. Like that. Hit the notification bell icon so you may be notified for the next episodes. I have a few more episodes lined up. I did check out the MOA Nike store to see the All-Star Weekend shoes, and I'll show you a video of that in the maybe later or tomorrow. So watch out for that, and thank you for joining me. We have an exciting Excel lesson coming, and I'm gonna post it maybe Monday or between Monday or to Wednesday next week. So stay tuned for that, and see you guys. Be a better person today than you were yesterday, and God bless. Bye bye.